Same numbers.
Careful on the, careful on the choke.
They have brawl. Infinity Blade.
Dito na lang ako sa South Tol, doon ka na lang sa taas.
Sige.
Level 8, they are level 8 now. White Wall
Careful,
Ridge.
Ay, putik
White Wall
mali.
Ridge. Ayan.
Ano yun, men?
Careful choke. Dito sa
Mali
idea.
ng push tutok.
Ako?
Get out of the Scholar range, ha. Get out of the Scholar range. You can accuse W is the Lord. Lord's gonna spawn now, ah. OC food check now. Use W is the Lord, no.
Huwag kayo sumili.
Bring nyo sa taas. Dalhin nyo sa taas yung Lord. Bring the Lord to north. Careful, ah. They're starting to inch in. So, use W is only. We're gonna clear the Lord, then come southwest. Yo, I need guardians once they engage. I need guardians once they engage. Starting to push in. Brawlers, wag kayo dyan. Dito kayo sa amin, brawlers. Wag kayo sumama dyan. They're starting to push in. Defense. Hold them. Spread. Defensive. Come west now, bro. Come west, bro. Just let's push, bro. West now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West left. Big lap west. No, come back northeast. Don't let them push in. Detax, come northeast. Establish Saga inside. They're starting to push in. Spread now. Spread, boys. Spread. Defense. Don't die. Defensive. Keep burn now. Southeast. They're going southeast. Burn the guy southeast. West side now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown now. Big clamp on the crown. Damage it on the crown. Keep burn. Where's my infernal man? Keep burn now. Spread, bro. They have engaged. Looking now. Defensive, please. Southwest ball. 9 seconds, man. 9 seconds. Southwest ball. Don't let them out. Don't let them out. West side now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Damage west. Now. Push in. Careful choke. Spread now. Push. If you have defensive, spread. He's looking northeast, man. Defense spread. Nice one. Come southwest now. Come out southwest. 10 seconds. Just keep ball. We're gonna shallow. Just keep ball. West side now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On west now. Big lump on west now. No, spread now. You're clamping south, man. Spread north now. Looking now. Defense front. He's my friend. Go back if you need this. Come west now. 10 seconds we're gonna engage. West. We need to wipe them fast, man. Come west. Hold them, please. Keep bro. West side 95, 4, 3, 2, 1. On west. The shallow. Kill the guys inside. Careful choke, man. Careful choke. Be careful.
Ready jump tol ah.
If you don't have defensive, don't push in. Come north now. Defense front. Push now. Push north. 5 seconds north. North now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only. On the crown. Nice.
Dying, oh.
Come northeast now.
Careful ah, turning ah. Careful jump ah. Ready jump. Jump now.
Looking now. Keep ball northeast. So
CD tol, CD. Sorry.
Okay. Sustain ah.
Skip ball. Looking south now sila. Going south sila. Going south. Enemy going south. Keep chase. 8 seconds, man. 8 seconds. Kill them.
Ay, sustain, man.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Good shit, bro.
Pick up.
Nagamit ko.
Just kill. We go outpost. Ay, gago na. Nakaw pa yung outpost.
Need ko ayusin settings ko. Ang layo ng mga pangalan.
Nice wipe.
Marami ba casualties natin?
Party 2. Damage siya.
Oo. Dami.
Ilang buhay
Namatay yung ano natin.
Damage report sa party 2.
Namatay yung blight natin.
And Dax. Okay na yun.
Ganda, boss, pag may PTB.
Sayang.
Yeah bro, rotation talaga man. Kanina wala kang PTB, ewan ko bakit ganun. Pag scrim pa tayo hindi kompleto.
Kasi do seryoso.
Kailangan pa mag-aalit para mag-adjust
Grabe tol, nagugulo ako sa PTV. Nahihilo talaga ako.
Gagi pag hindi ko kinukulong
Actually, maganda yung sustain natin doon kung naka-ano ka rin. Naka-guardian helmet ka.
Natalo ng circus yung
Guardian helmet dapat.
Oo. Ano mo pag-jump sa clamp ng
Ay, may mga
kampe.
pa dito sa
Oo.
Walo
Q jump din helmet. Cleanse yun may cleanse yun ng overtime healing. Oo. Dagdagan na rin yun.
Wala kang defensive pag ganun.
Yung mga bodies, hindi outpost, mga bodies.
Di ba?
Hindi, sa
Walang
defensive
soldier.
naman yun. Maro-rotate mo naman.
Mabilis ba cooldown yan? Yung Guardian?
Oo, mabilis lang. 25 lang ata to.
May tara na, uwi na tayo. Tara Northwest.
27.
Sumunod kay Egg. May